For us, we are sector agnostic, so that's the first thing. But when we took a conscious decision 4 years ago, we basically said we want to invest in the US or the America, in North America, in Africa, and I think we are quite different from most of our competitors there because we spent over $1 billion in equities in Africa and in the DACH region. And I think that was a very conscious decision, and we invested something like 2.8 billion in 3 years, which was our 5 years plan. And so we're up for a new plan, which will be announced actually tomorrow. I think Germany is not different than other markets. As my role as CEO of the European markets, basically, I think we look at all markets pretty much the same. I think competition is fierce. We actually, as Wendel, try to find good companies, which is becoming increasingly difficult, especially big ones. So we are actually doing few deals, but we try to do big deals where we get a lot of equity at work. But I wouldn't say that Germany is different as a market from other markets. I think what will happen, Brexit, who knows? It's a long journey. It will take more time than people expected, I think. I think it will change behavior and finance in terms of how banks will act. So I think banks need to adapt quicker because they cannot wait until Brexit has happened. They actually need to take a very conscious and proactive decision when things will happen, and I think they will do this. For the investors, I think the investors, the main goals will continue to do good deals, and I think given the shrinking yields across all over the world, basically on government bonds, and I think that will be a longer series. And there was a study out from McKinsey yesterday, basically saying this is going to continue. So I think the problem will actually to get a lot of equity at work in good companies over a long time with good returns. And Brexit or not Brexit, I think there was a slowdown in the UK activity, and there are quite a lot of very UK-centric deals. So I think they cease to exist at the moment. But that might create other opportunities as well. So. I'm German. I think I look into Germany with a particular eye. I've worked here. I lived in Frankfurt for 16 years, so I actually quite like the town. It's sunny weather, so that's a good starting point. I think the conference is a good point to meet people from the industry, actually exchange, and I think it's good to be invited here. Thank you.